Hola everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. Lang naman yung train. Bus. So guys, this is where you book your bus tickets. So if you're going to Melaka, Cameron Highlands, and going to other provinces, bakla no, you can. This is the red bus. They have a website, and this is the application too. You'll see the time, date, and of course the amount. Yan lang, share ko lang. Magkatabi lang naman sila. Hi guys! Good morning! So we're off to Cameron Highlands. That's I think more than, or I think almost 4 hours. So nag-stop over muna kami dito. Tea break. This is our bus. Ayan lang. Ganda ng araw ngayon. So, yeah. Don't forget to book your ticket online via Red Bus application. Yeah! See you, Cameron Highlands! So, hi guys! This is our accommodation. This is our bed. And then, may view kami. Pak. And this one. Sa labas may mga ref. Kasi para siyang hostel. At this is a private room. Tapos yung CR. Ayan, malinis. Sa booking.com ko siya na ano. Tcharan! Fairness, ang lamig dito. Uy, may TV pala, which is never magagamit. Tapos ayan yung view namin. Hello! Welcome to Cameron Highlands! Guys, good afternoon! Welcome to Cameron Highlands. After 4 hours and 15 minutes, we're here na. This is our accommodation, which is Bricks Cameron Hostel, but we have a, we booked a private room. So, ayun. Ayan. Parang siyang, bingkit. Kasi malamig eh. Tapos ang mura lang ng mga pagkain. So yun na nakapulibot. Ayan. So nasa ano lang to, nasa proper. So ayan guys, ayan guys. Guys, yan. Diyan! Ayan, common area. Recommendations, front desk, and pantry. So guys, late lunch. This is what I ordered. This is a shrimp biryani. And this is the view. Mainit here, but it's malamig. This is in Curry Leaf Restaurant. It's very near sa hotel. Old Town White Coffee. So we have it here. Kaya kaya Old Town na lang dito. Yeah. I'm using my card, my Visa. So ayan guys, you can use your GCash here. Card, debit cards, but some they don't. Yeah, ayan pala may mga anong ganyan. The here? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Hi guys! Good afternoon. So it's already 4 and the sun is still super hot, but then even if I'm in the mountainous area. So ayan lang. Anyways, I'm exploring the town proper of Tanarata. So tomorrow we'll explore the rest of the area here in Cameron Highlands. So we booked a tour with CS Travel and Tours. So that's 490 Malaysian ringgit. And now I'm going to explore this proper town. I mean this place, the town proper of Cameron Highlands. So ayun lang. By the way, don't forget to download Red Bus because it's more convenient, and also you'll be able to see how much the price. Sometimes they do give discounts as well. So ayun lang guys. Ja, matane. Sunset na. It's still 7 PM. But look at that. Liwanag pa rin, no? So, good evening guys. By the way, this is Cameron Highlands at night. And yeah, this area, there are like backpackers, hostels, which is mura lang, which is a good thing. They also have private rooms as well. So, itong buong street na to. Tapos, ito din. Tapos, kainan. And then, at the front, yan, may kainan. So, let's try. Let's try some Malay food. Go. Diyan. Meron din dito mga street food. Madami dito. Try nga natin kung anong meron. Ano kaya yung just? So yeah, this is naan guys. This is how you cook it. It's like bread. Good morning. Cold morning pala. Cold morning everyone. Para tumtron. Hindi mo na kailangan ko tumutin sa pagtutunan.
Here we are now in the strawberry farm. Okay, this is the strawberry farm in Cameron Highlands.
Good morning guys from the strawberry farm. So this is how they grow their strawberry. Wala siya sa sa soil, direct soil or sa land. Yan, nakahang sila. Yan all year. All year, diba? Yan. Galing guys, Diyan yung nila. Yung water system nila. Amazing na, yan Hindi na manual. Nakapatong siya lahat. Tea plantation. Parang yung panahon.
To Cameron Valley with? Yeah. Alright. No? Maybe after this you can rent a motorcycle and then you can go to...
What one from Ted?
This is the tea plantation. Part of the tour. Sobrang lawak.
To be fair, when we worked on the grapevines, a lot of them were
Go. Dito na lang tayo mag-video.
Such as milk, sugar, honey, or lemon, it will just spoil your taste. Because these bullfrog here are from the baby leaves only.
Tea samples. We're not allowed to take videos inside. Free taste. So hi guys. Hindi allowed take ng video sa factory nila. So yun, but this tour is very informative if you like tea. So ayan, tingnan mo na namin yung shop nila. Ciao! Pero tumikim ako. Masasarap yung tea nila in French. Hot tea. Third stop or fourth, the Mossy Forest in Pahang. So this is the viewpoint. Uy, puro clouds guys.
body heating by the sun, then they will make cooling the body, so they just take away. But one more thing is just for the meeting.
Kids, orchid.
Okay, you see the golden sprinkle? They have a green color, it's very similar like a leaf, only not easy to find the snake because
It's rare. I haven't seen this kind of plant. Wow. Ganda. Rare nga yung mga plants nandito. No? Hi guys, I'm here inside the rose and orchid garden. So dito ko nakita yung mga rare na orchids, then yung mga rose din like this. So ayun lang, madami silang plants actually. So the entrance is 10 ringgit only. So yun na guys, if you like flowers, orchids, ayun, I-enjoy mo to. Matutuwa ka kasi mga rare mga orchids na makikita mo dito. Bakla! Ciao! Ganda. Parang lahat ng color ng gumamela meron sila, guys. Bakla, what is your favorite color of gumamela? Where? Ay, there's the reddish orange. Yeah, it's nice. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Wow. You're a person na mahilig sa flowers, the plantitas. You'll enjoy this place. This is my first time seeing cactus like this. Look, it's so colorful. Oh, so nice. Look, what's that? Wow. So neat. Butterflies. Bye! You want to eat? You want to eat this one? Smile! Uy, hindi mo yung pagkain. So we're off to the smokehouse. Highly recommended by Ate Teen. So let's go there. So hi guys, this is the smokehouse. Recommended by Ate Teen. Ganda no? Para kang nasa Europe here. Come on, let's try it here as well. So good. Ah, it might rain. Hello. Siguro maganda ito pag gabi kasi may lights. I'm here for an afternoon tea. Unfortunately, they're already closed. Just around 5. Tapos yung next nila is dinner na 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Ganda pa naman. Like, it has a European vibe. Anyways, ayan lang. I forgot to check the time. I was thinking they're open like up until 10. Fortunately, most of the restaurants, or not really most, but some, they do close like around 9. And for certain like afternoon tea, it's up until 5, and some open around 4 p.m. So, ayan lang guys. We're actually done with our tour around 4:20. So I highly suggest you take you booked your tour, because aside from it would cost you a lot, like the Grab, and you'll be able to save time, And the tour actually is educational, so I learned a lot from the plants, places. So ayun lang, share ko lang. So, and it only around 90 plus the entrances for I think around 30 or 25 or 35 I think. So yun lang guys. So tomorrow we'll explore the Cameron Valley plantation or the Cameron tea plantation. So yun, mata na yun. So I have to walk so I can explore this guys. Ayun. Lalakarin ko siya. I-try ko siyang lakarin going to Panarata. Since it's just for a few minutes lang naman. So, I'm thinking, hike na lang to hike. Ganda rin naman yung ano, hindi rin mainit. It's a bit cold actually. So, maganda maglakad. Wala yung friend ko guys. Weak ang person. So, ako na lang mag-isa. So, ayun lang. Ito dinagaan ko. Ayun lang. May river pa. Ganito. Yeah, see ya! I'll be back in Camerata. Good evening here in Cameron Highlands. It's evening but it's still medyo maliwanag. It's not medyo but it's still maliwanag pa. But it's raining. So Cameron Highlands at night. So they have Starbucks and then mostly Indian cuisine. Yan. At night. Wow, ganda ng araw. Good morning guys. So we're off to Cameron Valley Tea Plantation before going back to Kuala Lumpur. Good morning from Cameron Valley. Good morning guys. This is the Cameron Valley Tea Plantation. So ayan, 4 ringgit ang entrance. See how you can walk. Ayan o, wow. Sana pwede magpalipad ng drone. Ja! So, yan. Beautiful morning. Grabe laki, no? Hi, guys! Beautiful morning. So, this is our 3rd day here in Cameron Highlands. And we are visiting the Cameron Valley Tea Plantation. So, ayan. Sobrang lawak na. It's super. Parang sa Booti din. Plantation. Maluwang din. Or malawak. So, doon kami pupunta. Doon. So, this is a no drone fly zone. No drone zone. So, yun lang guys. This is for 4 ringgit ba ka ano? Yes. You can also ride a buggy ride ba? Or the ATV. Meron sila, I think 120 to 100. So, ayun lang. Hala, we can go there. I don't know. Because that's on the other side. Okay. We can walk going there. Baka, it's on the other side. Yeah. Okay, so ayan lang guys. Explore muna namin yung area. And guys, that's how they take they harvest the tea. So I ask first if it's okay to take a video and photo. Ayan. Oo. Bilis lang yun eh. Ayan guys, yung harvest nila. Yeah. Ayan guys, pwede ka sumakay neto. Hi! Init. Init. Ayun guys, after how many minutes? It's already 11 something. And we're walking under the scorching heat of the sun. So ayun, babalik na kami. Sayang skincare, char. Ja, matane. Hi guys. This is the Cameron tea plantation. This is humongous. Oh, humongous. Karay. Tapos ayun lang. It's this is the tea plantation na you can actually get inside the plantation. And it's just for 4 ringgit. So you can go all the way there. Entire plantation. You can ride a buggy ride. Ayun. So ayun lang. Di rin na lang kuta bang akong vlog sa Cameron Valley Tea. Ja! Mag-coffee muna kami. Cameron Valley Tea Plantation. Meron silang restaurant. And then, yeah, this is the area. It's actually huge. Then, overlooking yung plantation. Ayan. Ayan lang. Hindi ko siya masasabing mura. Kasi some are, medyo pricey. So, ayan lang dyan. Guys, if you happen to come to Cameron Valley Tea, they have this, like ice cream, passion fruit, Cameron lime, Earl and then the durian I tasted and it's masarap. Like, promise. Ayun lang, may free taste naman sila so you can try. So that's for 10 ringgit per scoop. Ayun lang. Ayun guys, nag-book ako ng Grab. So mostly, pag yung dito sa area sa Cameron, Grab talaga yung main transportation or you can just rent a motorbike or a car. So yun lang price oh. 9 and 27. So, wala pang 150. So, ayan. Download na kayo ng Grab. So, ayan. Pag nag-buggy ride ka or ATV. ATV pa lang. Ayan yung buggy ride. Bye, Cameron Highlands! Until next time, ja matane. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Hi guys, we're still here in Cameron Highlands. Ayun, it's raining. As you can see, it's raining. So we're off to the Tanarata Terminal Station. We're going back to KL. And this is the end of our Cameron Highlands adventure or tour, which is a short trip, more or less 2. So for 3 days, it's a good thing. But if you're going to hike, those multiple trails, you can stay more or longer. So, depende sa ano nyo, gusto nyong adventure na gagawin. Some they stayed like for a week, mga slow pace lang yung mga traveler, and those people who love to hike. And what I can suggest, if you will just stay shorter, to get the tour with CS Travel, or in your hotel where you stay, which is only around 90 to 100. That's excluded yung mga entrance fees. So ayun. And also talk to locals, because you will be able to know a lot of things about Cameron Highlands. So ayun lang. And also try their food, their dessert. What else? Basta try new things. Ayun lang. Ja, matane. See you in KL. Walang laman halos yung bus. Ayan, konti lang. Grabe yung daanan talaga. Liko-liko. So, dapat hindi ka pusok pag dito ka. So, look at that. Yeah. May natin kumain beshi pag wala nang liko-liko. See you in my next vlog. Ja, matane!